You come home from work and all you want to do is lie down on the sofa, cuddle up with a blanket and go to sleep. I hear you, but there's one simple pose you can do as you get in from work, sit on the sofa and help you feel really, really good. So let's lean into one side, take hold of the opposite leg, give this knee a little roll around. And this is called the heron pose. So take hold of the bottom of the foot, stretch the leg away. Lean to one side, stretch the leg away from you. Bring it back to the center, stretch it to the other side. And all the way back into the middle, and you can do this a few times. Imagine your leg is like a big heron's neck. Everyone has a heron in their lives, right? Here in Scarborough, it's down by the sea. It stands in the river next to the sea. And so here we go, just leaning a little bit side to side. Moving the hips in all directions, releasing tension, making some space. Maybe taking a little fold when you finished one side. And then let's do the other straight away. So lean in, take hold of the foot, stretch it away. And then lean to the side, stretch and reach across the body. So here we're getting into the hips, we're getting into the legs, and we're getting into the feet. We underestimate how much we need to open up the toes, the bottom of the feet. So just keep breathing, keep rolling around here. And you can do this as many times as you like on one side, on the other. You can hold, you can lean, you can adapt, modify. Make it your own, come back to the center, maybe hang forward. And there you are. Now, you can go to sleep. Or you can put on your favorite TV program and enjoy your evening.